Hi, I'm Jeff Moisen with Home Group Realty. Welcome to 12 Marigold Drive. This is a lovely 3-bedroom family home in the ever so popular Kortright Hills neighborhood in Guelph. It offers inviting curb appeal and a large pie-shaped lot that provides an abundance of space in the backyard. Now let's go take a look out back. You will be sure to enjoy the large deck, plentiful yard space, manicured gardens, and will love relaxing in the hot tub on crisp fall nights. Now let's go take a look inside the home. As you step inside, you will notice right away that this home offers a well-planned layout. It provides both practicality and a greater sense of space. The living room offers hardwood flooring and opens up to the eat-in kitchen. The natural light just pours into the kitchen and living room through the large rear-facing windows. The main level also provides the convenience of a 2-piece washroom and a laundry room. The upper level features 3 spacious bedrooms and a 4-piece washroom. The master bedroom offers 2 closets and has ensuite privileges. The second floor of this home offers the perfect amount of space and room sizes for family comfort. If you're looking for a well-kept family home in a fabulous neighborhood, look no further. Kortright Hills is an absolutely wonderful neighborhood with plenty of trails, parks, excellent schools, a nearby leash-free dog park, and provides easy highway access for commuters. As you can see, this home has plenty to offer. Give me a call today for your own private viewing.